Okay, so among a large group of patients recovering from shoulder injuries, it is found that 22% visit both a physical therapist and a chiropractor. So the probability that they visit both a physical therapist and a chiropractor is equal to 0.22. Whereas 12% visit neither of these. So the probability that they visit neither a physical therapist nor a chiropractor is equal to 0.12. The probability that a patient visits a chiropractor, so the probability that a patient visits a chiropractor exceeds by 0.14 the probability that a patient visits a physical therapist. So it's 0.14 plus the probability that they visit a physical therapist. Okay. Calculate the probability that a randomly chosen member of this group visits a physical therapist. Okay. Well, we do know that this guy here, 0.12, is equal to the probability that P complement intersection C complement. We do know that this is the same thing as the probability that P union C complement. And of course, this is equal to 1 minus the probability that, of P union C. So we get this new equation, 0.12 is equal to 1 minus the probability that P union C. All right, so if we add this to both sides and subtract, this gives us that the probability of P union C is equal to 0.88. All right, so now I have the intersection. So the good thing about this is I know 0.88 is equal to the probability of P union C, which is equal to the probability of P plus the probability of C minus the probability of P intersection C, right? So I get 0.88 is equal to the probability of P. And remember, the probability of C is 0.14 plus the probability of P. So plus 0.14 plus probability of P. And then minus, and we found, or we have this, is 0.22. Okay, so doing some math, this will be 0.88 is equal to 2 probability of P, and then this will be minus 0.08, right? So we add 0.08 to both sides, that would be 0.96 is equal to 2 times the probability of P. Then we can divide both sides by 2 to get the probability of P. So I guess equal to the probability of P is equal to half of 0.96, which is 0.48. So the probability of visiting a physical therapist is 0.48. So that would be D.